Hey guys, we're trying different school snacks. So if you guys didn't watch my school snack video from last year, basically I'm just going to be trying snacks that I like to put in my lunch. That's basically what this is. I added these just for little dessert because I feel like it's because there are these little gummy cherries in there. Like, the cherry ones are the best. Like, the cherry ones are actually better than the gummy bears. But anyways, first thing I'm trying is some goldfish. Now, a little secret that I like to do, I like to shake off the bag, but it gets all the cheese on them, so I like to do that first. Like, cats could think it's like a cat treat or something. So, it's okay, but I already gave it a treat with this like video, because I got for it. Let's see if it got cheesy enough. Don't shake it when it's open, because that might confuse me. I don't know if I'm going to do it either. I might do these red velvet cupcakes that I got yesterday. I've not eaten them yet. I have not done with that video in a while either, so. Oh yeah, they got cheesy. Yeah. These are my favorite goldfish, by the way. The extra cheddar. Well, I think tonight because we got more snacks from over there to that. I think I'm going to try fruit gushers. I do put these in my lunch, or I put like the other school gummies in there, like Welch's, but today I just had to switch up. Is there actually a pink one? I wish oh, yeah, what if there's actually a pink one in here? I don't know. But yeah, I might do these videos because I kind of just had to add 2 gummies, because they'll just look amazing to me right now. Like, I think that's a cough drop, but okay. I love the smell of them. I used to eat these all the time when I was little. Okay, they're like a 10 or 11. I used to eat these all the time. And now I'm 17, so that's crazy. And this one has tropical and strawberry mix in there. I think I got the strawberry mix because I like red. Yeah, actually said on the back too. Strawberry pack. I ate that whole pack though. Okay. I like to put chips in my lunch all the time. So I'm gonna try my favorite chips for you guys. Salt and vinegar. I've been loving these chips lately. Yeah, these ones and the sour cream and onion ones are really good. So yeah. They really sound and smell well. Ew, hair mine, ew. It was so good now. No. You get the point, though. There we go. These are actually good. I've never tried these. I found them at the store though. And they're really good. Peanut butter, granola bars. Oh, my breath smells like salt and vinegar now. I forgot the drink. Hold on. We need to go get the drink. Put this video. Guys, I was gonna do chocolate milk, but I kind of want to save that for the movie. Okay, sorry. Someone was calling. Okay. Forgot to drink which is this Capri Sun. The cherry ones are the best. I'm gonna do chocolate milk, but I'm gonna save that for the movie I'm gonna watch later. I think these are good. They smell really good. They smell like a Reese's peanut butter cup, which I love, so. I mean, those are good, but. I recommend these. Go buy them at your local grocery store. Okay, I'm gonna say that for after the video. For a little snacky snack. Okay, snacks are really good. I'm just gonna do dessert. We're just gonna try these. These herbal cherries. I'm really excited about these. Like, I think it's all frosted. Like, oh, those made those new snacks in my video. So here they are. Really good. The low-key kind of remind me of the Halloween ones. I haven't done low-key in a while, though. Okay, cherry gummies. Now we're gonna drink cherry Capri Sun. This is the gummies I like on my ice cream. Frozen yogurt place. Okay, last part of the video. The Capri Sun cherry. That's good. That's a Capri Sun. It's really good. The cherry ones are the best. Anyways, guys, that's our video today. I'm trying to have snacks that I like for school. Let me know what you like to put in your lunch. Do you like to put chips, fruit snacks, granola bars, goldfish, gummies, cupcakes, dessert, Capri Sun, chocolate milk, whatever. Anyways, guys, let me know what you like to put in your lunch. Anyways, bye, everybody. Peace.